Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the Collection List section. This section lets you feature multiple collections in your store, helping customers easily explore and discover your products. It works like a curated showcase, allowing you to highlight key collections directly on your collection page for better visibility and navigation. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Collection List section, begin by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template, locate the Collection List section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings and open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the Collection List section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for Collection List and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Collection List section will be displayed. Desktop, the section appears only on desktop or laptop devices. Mobile, the section appears only on mobile devices. Both, the section displays across all devices for maximum visibility. Use container size to control how wide the Collection List section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. For image ratio, choose how your images are displayed. Adapt to Image keeps the original proportions of your uploaded image, ensuring nothing gets cropped. Portrait displays images in a vertical format, ideal for showcasing taller product visuals. Square crops images into a perfect square for a clean and uniform layout. Set the number of columns on desktop from 1 to 6, depending on how many collections you want to show in a row. Enable the View All button if your list contains more collections than displayed. Disable it if you prefer a cleaner layout without the button. Choose a View All button style that matches your store. The link style appears as simple text. Default uses your theme's button design. Solid is bold and filled for stronger visibility, and Outline keeps things minimal with a border design. You can select the size of the View All button. Inherit follows your theme's default sizing. Small keeps it compact, medium offers a balanced and recommended size, and regular provides maximum visibility. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. You can choose from a variety of pattern styles, including none, curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. Each pattern offers a unique look from subtle geometric textures to more decorative and expressive designs. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100%, to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Set the number of columns on mobile to either 1 or 2 for optimal mobile viewing. Under Enable Slider, you can choose where the collection slider will be displayed. Both devices slider will be visible on desktop and mobile. Desktop-only slider will appear only on computers and laptops. Mobile-only slider will appear only on phones and tablets. None slider will not appear anywhere effectively hidden. When autoplay is enabled, the slider scrolls automatically. Adjust the autoplay speed to control how fast it moves. Enable loop to make the slider continuously cycle. Show Dots enables navigation dots below the slider for easy slide switching. Show Arrows enables left and right arrows for smooth navigation between slides. For styling, select Arrow Color as either Inherit to use your theme's default color, or Custom to choose your own. You can also set a custom arrow color and a custom arrow background color for complete design control. Use arrow position to control where the navigation arrows appear. Middle arrows appear on the center left and center right sides of the slider. Bottom arrows appear lower on the slider area, aligned toward the bottom. Match the collection list section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can add multiple blocks such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with Text, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block comes with its own customization options. Add a block and open Collection to customize how your collection appears. In the Collection setting, select the collection you want to display from your store. For collection image alignment, choose how the image is positioned within its frame. You can select from top left, top center, top right, middle left, middle center, middle right, bottom left, bottom center, or bottom right to control exactly how the image is displayed. In Collection Title, enter a custom title or edit the existing one to match your branding. For Collection Image, upload a new image or select one to visually represent your collection. And that's it! Your collection list section is now fully set up and ready to use. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify Support Team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.